Amazon generally requires you to have an account before you can complete an order, so you cannot normally place an order as a guest. To demonstrate the process, first, open the Amazon website and search for the product you want to purchase. Select the item and click Add to Cart or Buy Now. When you proceed to checkout, Amazon will prompt you to sign in or create an account. If you do not already have an account, select Create your Amazon account and enter the required information, such as your name, email address or mobile number, and a password. Complete any verification steps Amazon requests, then return to checkout and enter or select your shipping address and payment method. Review the order details, including the item, delivery information, payment method, and total cost, and then select Place your order to complete the purchase. So, while you cannot normally order from Amazon completely without an account, creating an account is a quick way to continue with the checkout process.